Hello friends, we've got a very special recipe for you today, a dish that is sure to make your taste buds go wild. It is a delicious Hyderabadi chicken curry recipe, a recipe that is quick to make with easily available ingredients and a dish that is a great addition to your table for any occasion. So let's take a look at how we make it. To start with, we've got 600 grams of chicken with bone and we are going to marinate it with 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of crushed Kasuri Methi, 10 to 15 mint leaves, half a bunch of coriander leaves chopped, and 4 tablespoons of yogurt. Coat the chicken thoroughly and leave it to marinate for half an hour. Once the chicken has marinated well, we are going to start the cooking process. So to a pan, add 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. Now this dish requires a little extra oil which will give it a great flavor. Now once the oil is hot, add 1 large chopped onion and a little salt. Do not add too much salt as we have already added salt while marinating the chicken. We are going to cook the onions till they turn a dark golden brown color. Now add in the marinated chicken and saute it on high heat for 4 to 5 minutes. We are not adding any water while cooking the chicken as the chicken will generate a little water as it cooks. After 5 minutes, lower the heat to medium flame, cover and cook for a further 10 minutes and make sure you keep stirring it occasionally as you cook. After 10 minutes of cooking, you can see that the oil has started to separate at the edges. Now at this stage, add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup to give the dish that extra zing. Also add 1/2 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder and mix thoroughly. Cover and cook on medium heat for a further 2 minutes. And dear friends, our delicious Hyderabadi chicken curry is ready to be served. Tastes absolutely wonderful with rice or roti. Do try it out and let us know how much you enjoyed it. Also subscribe to our channel to stay tuned with all our latest video uploads, and we will be back soon with another delicious recipe. Until then, stay safe and have a great week ahead.